Manipur is a state in northeastern India with the city of Imphal as its capital. It is bounded by the Indian states of Nagaland to the north, Mizoram to the south, Assam to the west, and Myanmar lies to its east. In today's blog, I'm just trying to tell some of the interesting facts about Manipur, which visitors from around the world can visit the amazing places. Today I'm trying to show some of those amazing facts with a collection of photographs. This is my first video on YouTube, so if I did anything wrong unknowingly, please let me know by writing in the comment section so that I can correct myself. The Loktak Lake of Manipur is one of freshwater lake located at northeastern India. It has its unique features which are different from any other lake in the world. You will know what are those special and unique features about this lake if you watch this video till end. So guys, watch the video till end. This is the only lake that owns a floating village on it. Not only this, a national park called Lamjao is located on this floating village. This park is very famous of its special kind of animal called sangai. Sangai in English, it is called brow-antlered deer, and Cervus LDLD is its biological name. This is the entrance gate of attractive Lamjao National Park. Friends, if you come here, you find just amazing and wonderful views. The unique of this species sangai is they can survive only on this floating park, not even at some nearby places of the park. This is the unique about it. You can find it only in Manipur, India. It is believed that the oldest polo ground in the world is the Imphal Polo Ground in Manipur state. The history of the polo ground is contained in the Royal Chronicle Daitharod Kumbhava starting from 33 AD. Later on, it was spread in the western countries by the Britishers during their colonial rule. This Shirui lily flower is a rare Indian species of plant found only in the upper reaches of the Shirui hill ranges in the Ukhrul district of Manipur, India, at an elevation of 1730 to 2590 meters above the sea level. It is located near the boundary of Myanmar to the east, Shirui village in the west, Chotihar village in the south, and the Sihai village in the north. They blossom in spring, especially from 15 May to 5th June. The special character of this plant is they can only be grown on the tops of the Shirui hill. So many people from around the world had already attempted to move it, but it doesn't work. During the blossom period of this flower, the government of Manipur organizes a festival called Shirui Lily Festival every year. In this festival, people from around the world comes at Manipur to visit the festival. Khongjom War Memorial has been built at Kheva Hill in Thawal district along the India-Myanmar border, just over 30 km from Imphal. Khongjom War Memorial Complex is a historical war memorial site of Anglo-Manipur War at Khongjom, Thawal district of Manipur. The complex houses the world's tallest sword statue which symbolizes the valor and courage of the freedom fighters of Manipur who fought against the three sides of British attack from Kohima, Silchar and Myanmar in the 23rd April 1891. Honorable President of India Pranab Mukherjee inaugurated Khongjom War Monument on the eve of Khongjom Day, that is 23rd April, in the year 2016. The memorial site is one of the major tourist attractions in the entire northeastern India for the place being historically significant in the British history. The Khongjom War Memorial Complex reminds the people of Manipur about the bravery and courage their forefathers showed against the British Empire. Today the place is a major tourist attraction in Manipur. The government of Manipur is renovating the area with a complete makeover of the whole area to make more attractive and preserve the historical value. We all have read and studied about our great freedom fighter and leader Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, this is INA Museum, where the Indian tricolor flag was hoisted here for the first time on the sacred soil of India by the Indian National Army on the 14th April 1944 under the leadership of our great freedom fighter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. When you visit this museum, you will find to see those equipments, guns, bombs, all the machineries that they did use during Second World War. My first video is winding up here. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and share by pressing the bell icon.